It's pissed me off about this motherfucking room. I got floodwaters in here. And it's a fucking Oklahoma. That's how fucking pissed I am. With all this shit I have to do for the second fucking time. So you know I ain't fucking bullshitting. Look at that, right there. Water. It's all flooded yet again. And where are these assholes? Out goofing off and fucking sleeping while I'm on pipe duty. Yeah.